Welcome to the Plastic Pollution Crisis. Why we must act now to save our oceans. In this video, we will dive deep into the staggering scale of plastic pollution threatening our marine environments. From understanding its origins to exploring its devastating impact on marine life and human health, we'll uncover the urgent need for action. We'll also discuss the economic consequences of plastic waste and evaluate our current recycling efforts, before unveiling innovative solutions and global initiatives aimed at combating this pressing crisis. Join us as we explore the path forward for a cleaner, healthier ocean. 1. Understanding the scale of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution has reached an alarming scale, posing a significant threat to marine life, ecosystems, and human health. Every year, over 11 million metric tons of plastic waste find their way into our oceans. This is equivalent to dumping a truckload of plastic into the sea every minute. Such staggering amounts of waste contribute to the formation of floating garbage patches, the most infamous being the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This patch covers an area twice the size of Texas and is composed mainly of plastic debris. The sheer scale of this problem highlights the urgent need for action. 2. The origins of the crisis. The origins of the plastic pollution crisis are multifaceted. Over 400 million tons of plastic are produced annually, with nearly half designed for single use. This means that a large portion of these plastics are discarded after just one use, contributing significantly to waste. Furthermore, only 9% of plastic waste ever produced has been recycled. The rest ends up in landfills, oceans, or other parts of the environment. This highlights a systemic failure in waste management and recycling infrastructures. More than 80% of ocean plastic originates from land-based sources like improper waste disposal and industrial runoff. 3. The threat to marine life. Plastic pollution is not just an eyesore, it is deadly for marine life. Every year, 100,000 marine animals and over 1 million seabirds die as a result of plastic pollution. Sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, their primary food source. Birds ingest small plastic pieces, mistaking them for food. These plastics can block digestive tracts, leading to starvation. The entanglement in discarded fishing nets is another common cause of death. The persistent nature of plastic, which can take centuries to decompose, ensures that these threats remain constant. 4. Microplastics and human health. The threat of plastic pollution extends beyond marine life, reaching humans through microplastics. Microplastics have been discovered in drinking water, seafood, and even human blood. These tiny particles, often invisible to the naked eye, enter the food chain when ingested by marine organisms. Consuming seafood contaminated with microplastics may pose health risks to humans. The potential long-term health effects remain unclear, but the presence of plastics in our bodies is concerning. This underscores the urgency of addressing the root causes of plastic pollution. 5. The economic impact of plastic waste. The economic implications of plastic pollution are staggering. Coastal communities reliant on tourism and fishing suffer immense losses due to polluted beaches and declining fish stocks. Cleaning up plastic waste is a costly endeavor, with governments spending millions annually. Additionally, the degradation of marine ecosystems impacts biodiversity, affecting industries reliant on these resources. The financial burden of plastic pollution is shared by individuals, businesses, and governments, emphasizing the need for collaborative solutions. 6. Recycling. A partial solution. Recycling has often been touted as a solution to plastic pollution, but it is not a panacea. Most plastics degrade in quality with each recycling cycle, leading to more waste. This means that recycling alone cannot address the scale of the problem. While recycling efforts are essential, they must be complemented by other strategies. Reducing plastic production and promoting sustainable alternatives are crucial steps. Governments and businesses worldwide are beginning to recognize this, implementing bans on plastic bags, straws, and other single-use plastics. 7. Innovative solutions and global action. and innovative solutions are emerging to combat plastic pollution. From biodegradable plastics to ocean cleanup technologies, these innovations offer hope. However, real change requires global cooperation. International agreements and policies are needed to regulate plastic production and waste management. Public awareness campaigns play a vital role in changing consumer habits. Individual choices, such as using reusable bags and bottles, can have a collective impact. Collaborative efforts between governments, businesses, and individuals are essential to tackling this crisis. 8. The path forward. As the plastic pollution crisis looms large, the path forward demands urgent action. We must rethink our relationship with plastic, transitioning towards a more sustainable future. Efforts to reduce plastic use, improve waste management, and promote alternatives are crucial. Each action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger fight against plastic pollution. If we act now, we can protect marine life, restore our oceans, and create a cleaner future for generations to come.